Adding Wix referral link help monetize your site through affiliate marketing and use button image and dedicated page to increase conversion. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can simply add Wix referral link for affiliate marketing opportunities. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to sign up for an affiliate program. So join an affiliate program. For example, you can use an Amazon associate or share a scale or CJ affiliate. Then copy your unique referral link from the affiliate platform. Then once you do that, then add the link to your Wix website. Then add link to the text or button. Then open the Wix editor. Then select the text where you want to add the referral link. Then click choose. Then choose the website, the web address, and paste your affiliate link. Then click open in a new tab. Then tap recommended. Then don't click done to save. And after that, click on add, which is the plus icon. Then click on image and upload an image. Then after that, click the image. Then select link and paste the referral link. Then click on apply save. Then after that, click on add, which is the plus icon. Then click on the button. Then customize the text, which is the shop now or get the deal. Then click the link. Then choose web address and paste your referral link and click on save. Then after that, you can name it our affiliate deal or recommended product. Then add image description and referral links for each product. And after that, click on publish. When done, then optimize for SEO. Go to your settings, then click on marketing and SEO. Then click on the SEO tools. Then add keywords related to your affiliate product. Then ensure the affiliate links are properly labeled. For example, the page contains affiliate links. Then after that, promote your referral link and share your links into blog posts, newsletter, and other social media platform. Then you can also use Wix pop-up to promote special affiliate deals and add link to Wix blog post or pro.review. And that's it.